Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Kodi on your Amazon Fire TV device step by step. Let's begin. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to turn on apps from unknown source. Without this, you cannot sideload any app on your Fire TV stick. So just hover to settings gear icon. Slide down and highlight My Fire TV. Now press remote select button, slide down and open developer options. Now here you'll find two options, ADB dimming and apps from unknown source. So you need to turn on both of these options. First one is ADB dimming. Slide down and press remote select button. Click turn on. As you can see, apps from unknown source and ADB dimming has been turned on. Now you can sideload any app on your Fire TV device. And here we need to install downloader app that is used to sideload apps on Firestick. Just hover to find it, slide down and click on search, and here type downloader. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. So slide down and click on downloader. Click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire TV device. So just click on download, and as you can see, downloader app start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So the downloader app has been installed. Now press remote select button. It will ask you allow some permissions, so just click on allow and then click on OK to dismiss quick start guide. And guys, this is the home screen of downloader app that has only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. Just hover to small box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now type your app URL address that is showing on your screen. After typing URL address, click on go button and it will connecting to server. After that, this website appear on your screen. So here slide down and click on here Android logo here, and again slide down, then click on here 32-bit A or MV7A 32-bit. As you can see, Kodi start downloading. After downloaded, installation section appear on your screen. Slide where to install and press remote select button. So the Kodi application is successfully installed. Now click on done button and delete this backup file because we don't need this anymore. Just click on delete, and again after deleting backup file, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. and here go through the application section here and press remote select button. And guys, here you'll find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire TV device. Slide down and select Kodi. Now press remote 3-line menu button. Slide down and click on move to front. And as you can see, Kodi is front of your all Amazon applications. Now press remote select button to launch it. Click continue. When you launch Kodi first time on Fire TV stick, it will ask you allow some permissions. So just click on allow. So guys, you can use this method to download Kodi on your Amazon Fire TV device, and I hope this video was really helpful for you. Please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any quiz or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.